Papa, how do they know the work is really finished?
That's a very important question. In Scrum, finished work has a special meaning.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. We already talked about Product Backlog that contains the detailed list of what all to be built. But during a sprint, team need a short and focused list. In Scrum, the Sprint Backlog is the item chosen for this particular sprint and the items which team commits that they will be able to deliver. Sprint Backlog is not a wish. It's all about the sprint commitment. Here's something important. The development team creates the Sprint Backlog. Nobody forces it on them. No one assigns it to them. The team decides what they can do and how much they can handle. In the sweet shop example, it's like saying, today we have this much ingredient, we have these many peoples, and we will be able to complete these many sweets. Everything else waits. So without a proper sprint backlog, the team gets distracted, there is no clarity on their deliverables, and nothing finishes on time. The sprint backlog keeps the team focused. So remember this, guys. The product backlog is like our detailed wish list, and the sprint backlog is what we have to work on. If this explanation helped you, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and put your comment on what do you want to learn next.
So the big list stays big, and this list helps us focus?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.